Hello and welcome to another exclusive review with me, Alex Belfield, here at celebrityradio.biz, where last year we had over 8.3 million minutes viewed on YouTube. This week we focus on the Escape Lounge at Manchester Airport. In May 2015, I decided to fly out of Manchester to Las Vegas with Virgin Atlantic. VA used the Escape Lounge for upper-class passengers, which is a pleasant oasis of calm away from the craziness of the terminal. The Escape Lounge is located in all three of Manchester Airport's terminals. It's very clean, offers great food, and is a world apart from the chaos of the terminal below. The lounge opens at 5 a.m. for breakfast and serves lunch from 11 a.m. The Escape Lounge in Terminal 2 offers a wide range of local newspapers and magazines, as well as international newspapers and magazines. Whether you're travelling on business, taking a long weekend, or a family holiday, you're welcome to come and enjoy the Escape Lounge at Manchester Airport, although children must be 6 years or older. There's a lovely breakfast with cereals, juices and pastries. You can also order bacon sandwiches, sausage sandwiches, and they're available from 5 a.m. through 11 a.m. Business travellers can use the hot desk area with a range of business facilities, including computers, landlines, printing and fax facilities. Lunch from 11 a.m. is a lovely affair with cold cuts, crackers, sandwiches, fresh salad and pasta. If you don't wish to eat on board the plane, you could easily make a dinner in the lounge. The desserts are also delicious. For less than £20, you can eat in comfort, quiet and virtual luxury. Let's be clear, for those who have used the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse in Heathrow or Gatwick, this is not the same scale. However, it far exceeds US lounges. There is beer and wine available complimentary from 11 a.m. I truly cannot imagine why anybody travelling from Manchester Airport would not stop at the Escape Lounge. You can pre-book prices from $18.49, £22.50 if you turn up on the day. Children aged 6 till 11 get in from $14.99, that's $16.50 on the day. You can find out more at the Manchester Airport website. You've been listening to another review by me, Alex Belfield, here at celebrityradio.biz, where last year we had over 8.3 million minutes viewed on YouTube. You can check out all of our interviews and reviews at www.celebrityradio.biz. Ta-da!